Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about Python dictionaries. Python dictionaries are basically key value pairs. They map keys to their respective values. In real world scenario, you always use key value pairs. Person's age is any number. Person's hair is curly or straight. Here hair represents a key and its value could be curly or straight. To create dictionary, we use curly braces. Then we specify the key value pairs delimited by colon symbol. Let's create our first dictionary, person, with key first name and the value John, last name Doe, and age 26. You have to make sure that dictionary keys should be immutable. Also, they have to be unique across the whole dictionary. If you try to assign a key value pair with a key that already exists in the dictionary, it would simply override the existing value for that key. We can also create dictionary using Dict function. This function takes keyword arguments which will be converted to keys in the dictionary. Let's create another person, person2, with a Dict function. It will have name, Bob, and age of 34. If we check the type of this object, type person2, and it will return the class of Dict. To access these values, we can use respective keys instead of indices. So person first name would give us John. If we try to look up for a key that doesn't exist in the dictionary, it gives us key error. Person city, and we get a key error. In such cases, to avoid errors, we can use get method on person dictionary. Print person.getCity will give us none if the key doesn't exist. If we look up for age, we get back 26. We can also provide the default value, and if the key doesn't exist, it will provide this default value. So person.getCity and provide the default value as unknown will return unknown. And person.getLastName, default value of unknown, will give us Doe because it found this key. If you want to modify this person's first name, we can simply assign the new value to this key. Let's modify person's first name to Jan. And now if we print the person dictionary, we get back Jen. We can also add new key value pair at any point. Let's add person's city as New York. And now if we check out person, it has new key value pair for city. We can remove a key value pair using del keyword. Del person city will remove this newly added city key value pairs. We can get all the keys of a dictionary using person.keys, and it returns dict keys object, but we can convert it to list by wrapping it inside the list function. Similarly, we can get only the values using person.values. To iterate through each element in dictionary, we can use loop like this. For item in person.items, let's print item, and we get back tuple of key and their respective value. So we can write for item in person.items, print item 0, comma item 1, and it will print key and value. We could also unpack this intermediate tuple. It's key and value, so we could also write it like this. For key, comma value in person.items, print key, value, and it gives the same result. We could also remove an element using pop method. Person.pop age will return age value and remove age key from person dictionary. If the key doesn't exist, we can provide the default value to return as a second argument, person.pop city, and provide the default value of whatever, and we get back whatever. We can also find the length of the dictionary. That will basically give us how many keys are there in the dictionary. Len person will give us value 2. Like list and tuple, you can clear all content using clear method. So those are some of the basic dictionary methods. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel as it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video lesson.